stress, dehydration, nutrition, exposure to the sun, and yes, age. They all contribute to wrinkles. Aging is natural and can be beautiful. But if you have premature wrinkles or just want to see if you can do some DIY natural ingredient skincare, try this oat flour or grind oatmeal mixed with castor oil and frankincense. I would try it for 7 days, then go to once or twice a week. If 7 days is too much, then try every other day. Like and subscribe to 60 is the New 60 for more positive aging and aging well.